So in this video, we'll do the unboxing of Apple's AirTag. I got this from Apple Store last week. It's a 4-pack and the cost of it is $129. So let's open it up and see what's inside and how it's packed. Let's open it up. Here's the box, keep aside. Some safety information, safety and handling information. And here are the AirTags. Very nicely packed as Apple with every Apple product is. It's a 4-pack. As you can see, there are 4 AirTags, and that's about it in the packaging. In case I've missed anything, let's see what's in the box. So another warranty information and regulatory compliance information. And let's take one of these out and see. This is how it looks like. It's wrapped around in a plastic very nicely, as Apple does with every product. They are very nicely packed, and I'm gonna use it for tracking my parents' luggage. They're traveling outside the country, so I'm gonna put that in there, one in each of their luggage, and then set it up with their Find My application on the iPhone and see how it goes. Never used AirTag before, so this is the first time I'm using them. So let's see how these things work, and I'll test it out. And that's all in the packaging. There's nothing much to it. And to set up these ones, it's very simple. I think all you gotta do is pull the tab, the plastic wrap, and then keep it in between 2 inches or 5 centimeters, and then sync it with your iPhone and get attached to your Apple ID. So that's all for this video. That's all in this packaging as well. Thanks for watching. I'll test it out and report back and see what the result is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.